Welcome to Nacascolo Beach. We looked at an area of lotification of 3 lots for sale at $54,000 and $55,000, and the lot are 1,000 square meters or a quarter acre. So this is the back of the property, northeast side. This is lot 3. We are stopping here at lot 2, and we have the closest on the bottom here, lot 3. So ocean view lot, like 500 meters from the beach. 55.
It's an off-road of 80 meters.
$54,000. We are,
and we have 3 lots
5
for
minutes
sale
from city center. It's
of quarter
4
acre
kilometers
each.
ride to town, and we are at
Least
a
at
distance
55,000
of
each.
500
They are
meters
rectangular
or less from Playa Nacascolo. So it's
You
an
see,
amazing
we
location.
have the road access
It's
over
easy
here
to
on
have
the left
access
side.
from water. The public water pass just in the street below
Here
the
is
lot.
the lot
It's
3.
80 meters of line
Lot
to
2 over
make
here.
so this is not expensive. Same thing
And
for
lot
power.
1
You have transformators
on the bottom
of
part.
high tension just there
On
on
the right
main
side,
road.
you see
So
our
it's
road
very
access.
easy. So the main road, we have a dirt road of 80 meters from the lot to access to the main new coastal road. So it's just like an amazing location. You have nothing to compare available near San Juan del Sur. Actually at this price also.